Good evening and welcome in here at 5 o'clock. Despite what happened to her at work, this construction worker is on the job and sharing the story of her tense encounter with a driver who attacked her.
She spoke with WRTV's Adam Shooms and highlighted a problem of drivers showing little patience these days.
Near 46th and Binford on Indy's northeast side,
it is a very dangerous job.
Rokeitra Thomas is hard at work, directing traffic while crews work on paving the streets.
I've been working in construction 15 years.
Thomas's safety was put in jeopardy while she was working.
At the time, I really wasn't thinking about pain. I was just really thinking about keeping my crew safe.
Court documents say Thomas was directing traffic near 52nd and Keystone on Indy's northeast side back in October. The construction crew was paving a street. Thomas was blocking their workspace.
He proceeded to drive up and he rode his car into me.
Police say 51-year-old Daniel Scalf hit Thomas with his car before getting out and attacking her.
I then tapped on the hood, asked him could he back up. He jumps out the car, started yelling obscenities, and he punched me in my chest.
But documents show Scalf didn't stop there. He then started threatening her and showing his gun.
I was just, at that time, just thinking about keeping them safe and keeping the people around me safe, because it's always the innocent people that get hurt.
Scalf then drove away.
Frustrating to see that people react so dramatically when there are appropriate ways to resolve conflict.
Counselor Kimball Richardson studies behavioral health and says it's okay for people to express emotions, but suggests people do it in a way that's safe for themselves and other people.
People are typically a little bit, or a lot, upset and irked prior to the incident. They may not be aware of it. It may be just below that level of awareness.
My message to the people is just please, please, please be more aware of the construction people that's out here. We want to go home to our families.
In Indianapolis, Adam Shooms, WRTV.
Court records say Scalf faces a charge of intimidation with a deadly weapon.